Alright, hello and welcome to this hopefully short tutorial on how to install plugins and themes for powercord. Powercord is a client mod for Discord. If you know that, then you can ignore what I'm going to explain now, but a client mod is basically I guess, extension for Discord, where you can install more mini extensions, I guess, called plugins, and change the overall look of your client. What you can also do, well, not you can't do that, but it's kind of against the terms of service, what you're doing here, but they don't really crack down on you, so you don't need to worry really. Yeah, for the plugin, I'm going to be using, or example plugin, I'm going to be using quick actions. It's basically a small right-click thing to the user tab. So the user settings is this here, this small button here. When you click this, and it's just right-clicking it here. This is what it's going to look like in the end, and it makes it a little bit easier to change stuff. For example, switch to push to talk. And I'm going to show you how to install this. So a quick, pre-requirement. You need Git installed on your computer and obviously powercord, because I'm not going to be explaining that. I'll leave a link in the description on how to do that, just as well as Git on how to install that, but you need both those things. And to install the plugin, we're going to click clone or download and click this little button. It's going to copy this link to our clipboard, and we're going to need that in a minute. So we type cd and then powercord here, there you go, and then cd src, and then cd again powercord, there you go, and then I'm going to type ls. You don't need to do this, but this is how you look at what directories are in your, or directories or files are in your current directory you're in, which is called powercord. And we're trying to navigate to the plugins directory, which means we're going to go cd and then plugins. Once we're in here, we're going to type git and then clone, and then you're just going to hit Command V to paste in the link we just copied. If you remember this is basically just here now, and we're going to click enter. And this is what it's going to look like. So it's just going to add the plugin, and once you're done, it's just going to get you back, and we're done basically installing the plugin now. Now, before I show you the final result, I'm going to explain to you how to install the theme. For this specific theme, you have to make the files yourself in a sense, but in most other themes you don't, but here you do. I don't know why, but yeah. Just to do this, you just make a empty text document and copy and paste these things in. Make sure the names are the same. I've done this for you before. It's supposed to look like this, just a folder called Customa, so the name of the theme. And in there you just have to have this Customa CSS, which is this, and the powercord underscore manifest, which is this block of code here. And you put that in one folder, make sure it has the right extensions. And to put this in the right place, you have to go to your home directory again, this is the home directory for me. And once I'm in here, I'm going to navigate to powercord, then go to src, then to powercord, and then to themes. If you remember, this is what it said when I typed ls. I'm going to go into themes now, and as you can see, I've installed a theme before, but let's just ignore that. Literally all you do is just drag and drop it in, and you're done. Like, that's all you do. You just close this, go into Discord, and then to actually make it load, you just hold Command and press R to refresh your whole browser. And once that's done, you're greeted like this. And to change your theme, you just right click here, go into powercord option, then go into themes, and with both disabled, or with your Customa theme disabled, it's just going to be the standard Discord. But by clicking it, it's going to change the whole thing. And then it just looks absolutely beautiful. And yeah, you can add just a crap ton of new things with this. With me just basically explaining all of this to you, that's literally all you need to know, because all other plugins and themes are either more simple or just as easy as this. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.